Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are having an amazing day. This is Ramakant. Welcome back to the channel Learning English Together. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about one of the biggest thing that every English learner asks. It is called how can I practice English when I'm alone? Guys, I have heard this line many times. I don't have an English partner. I don't have an English environment. I don't have English teacher. How can I practice my English alone? Guys, but the truth is you don't need anyone else because the real English environment begins inside your mind. You just have to create it. So, if you really want to speak English fluently, you have to stop waiting for the right time or the right person because there is no perfect time and the perfect person. So you have to start with what you have and where you are because the first step is all about your mindset. Most people give up before they even start. They say, I'm not good enough. What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? But let me tell you something. Every fluent speaker you see today was once a beginner. They made mistakes. They struggled. They felt nervous. But the only difference is they did not stop. So promise yourself today, even if no one supports you, even if you feel shy, even if you don't have anyone to talk to, you will still practice your English because this journey is yours. So now let's talk about how you can actually practice your English alone every day. First of all, talk to yourself in English. The first thing that you need to do is to talk to yourself in English. Yes, guys. Simply stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. You can talk about your day, what you did, how you feel, what's your planning. Because this builds your confidence and helps you overcome your hesitation. And the second thing that you need to do, guys, listen and repeat. Yes, guys, it is called shadowing practice. When you watch English videos, don't just listen, repeat after the speaker. Match their tone, pronunciation, even the flow. You will sound more natural day by day. And the third thing, write a short paragraph daily. Yes, guys, you can write a short paragraph about your day, about your struggle, how you're practicing your English, because this helps you organize your thoughts in English. And the fourth thing that you need to do, guys, record yourself, record your voice. See, guys, when you record your voice and listen back, you notice two things, your mistakes and your progress too. It's like becoming your own teacher. This is very, very powerful. And the final thing that you need to do, guys, think in English. Yes, guys, you have to develop the habit of thinking in English. See, guys, what happens when we try to speak in English, our native language comes to our mind at first. Then we get it translated in English and speak, which slows down the process of speaking. So, if you train your mind to think directly in English, it will help you to sound natural and you can speak flawlessly. You can start with small thoughts like I'm going to the market to buy some vegetables. It is the time to practice English. Let's get ready to go for office. I need to drink some water. This is how you can train your brain to think directly in English. Guys, most people stop practicing after a few days. They say, I don't see improvement. But remember, fluency does not come overnight. It's like going to the gym. If you quit after a week, you will never see the result. But if you are consistent, your result will surprise you. Some days you will feel lazy. Some days you will feel tired, even demotivated. Those are the days when you have to push yourself the most. When you practice your English every single day, you will become stronger, wiser, and more confident. So, try to practice your English every single day in front of a mirror. You can talk about your day, you can talk about your life, you can talk about your struggle, because the one who practices alone becomes unstoppable. Even if nobody claps for you today, even if nobody supports you today, one day the same people will say your English improved so much. How did you learn it? How did you do it? You will smile and say, I practiced alone. Guys, practicing alone does not mean you are lonely. It means you are ready to grow. You are dedicated. And one day, the whole world will listen to your English and your story. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. I hope you would like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. And let me know in the comment how do you practice your English, guys. Bye bye.